Hey guys, it's Mary. Welcome back to the kitchen. I'm in the mood for taco soup, but I cannot do a normal taco soup because it's not keto. Traditionally, you have beans and corn in a taco soup. I'm going to do mine a little different. Just make an easy taco soup. No beans, and hope that the flavor turns out fantastic. I'm sure it will. I have some ground beef, peppers and onions sauteing in my pan. I have a can of diced tomatoes, and I'm getting ready to add my seasonings. We have our beautiful plate of seasonings. I have cumin, smoked paprika, chili powder, salt, pepper, red pepper flakes, and oregano. I'm going to put them into my tomatoes. And also I need 2 cups of beef broth, which I do not have. So I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of beef bouillon, and I'm going to add my 2 cups of water. And also, it calls for 3 cloves of garlic. I don't have cloves, so I'm using this minced from the store. Now we're going to stir that up good and get the ground beef in there. Okay. I've brought my soup mixture up to a boil, and the hamburger, onions, and peppers have finished cooking. And now we're going to stir it all together. And let it simmer for a few minutes. And we have a fantastic smelling keto taco soup. No beans. Yeah, I know it has tomatoes in there, but that is spread out over the course of the soup. Maybe we should call it a low-carb soup, if that makes some of you feel better, because some people are totally against tomatoes on keto. Myself, I eat on the higher end of the carb count, but if you don't feel like this is for you, then you're definitely missing out. But we're just going to let this simmer for a few minutes, and then we're going to see what we end up with. Man, that looks good. There you go. So good you won't even miss the beans. They've got that. And a cracker. And that, my friends, is a meal.